students, today we will discuss about entropy. From this we will move towards second law of thermodynamics. Spontaneous process, non-spontaneous process, driving force, all are included in entropy, and entropy move towards second law of thermodynamics. Entropy is represented by S. Symbol of entropy is S. Beta, entropy is only the phenomena used to measure the degree of randomness. Randomness means disorder. Randomness means disorder. The process which increase the randomness, that means increase the entropy, that is the spontaneous process. Which decrease the entropy, non-spontaneous process. Entropy remain constant, process is in equilibrium, that means at equilibrium process, for equilibrium process entropy always 0. Entropy is the phenomena used to measure the degree of randomness or degree of disorder or disturbance of the system. That is known as entropy. Entropy is represented by S. Entropy is represented by S. Beta, each and every system in the nature will be spontaneous if entropy of that system will increase. You all will say entropy of gas is maximum as compared to liquid, as compared to solid, because particles of solids are regularly arranged. Regular arrangement means disturbance, disorder or randomness is 0. Entropy is decreased. In case of water, slightly increase, but gas molecules are far apart, move in any direction, any speed. That means maximum randomness. Maximum randomness means maximum entropy. Maximum randomness means maximum entropy. Beta, entropy of any system can't be calculated because disturbance or disorder is not measurable property. But for any system, change in entropy represented by delta S can be easily measured. How? It is like this. What is the entropy of system initially? Entropy of system in initial state. What is changes occur when the process is going on, and at final state what is the entropy? Entropy of final state represented by S2. Entropy of initial state represented by S1. The difference between these two can be easily calculated. What is the entropy of system initially? Then process is going on. Process will be completed. Product is formed. What is the entropy at that time? If entropy increase, entropy of final state is maximum and initial state is minimum. Answer is positive. If delta S positive, process is spontaneous. Beta, process is spontaneous when S2 is greater than S1. If final state or entropy of product is less than initial state, that means change in entropy is negative. When S2 is less than S1, sign is negative, entropy is negative. If entropy is negative, process is non-spontaneous. Process is only going on when energy must be supplied. That process is known as non-spontaneous process. When delta S is 0, when S2 become equal to S1, both are in same magnitude. Entropy of initial state is exactly same as that of entropy of final state. That delta S is 0. That means we can say process is at equilibrium state. Process is at equilibrium state. How entropy change will be calculated mathematically? This is only by saying the physical state of the system, initial state, final state. How will you calculate? How it will be calculated? Entropy change of a process is defined as the amount of heat absorbed or evolved. Amount of heat absorbed or evolved with respect to absolute temperature. That means change in entropy is calculated by amount of heat change. Amount of heat represented by Q with respect to absolute temperature. What are the units of heat? Beta, units of heat is joule. Units of temperature, Kelvin. Entropy that we will calculate always in moles per mole. Entropy will be calculated in moles, represented by per mole. So units are joule per Kelvin per mole. These are the SI units. In CGS unit, this is represented by Q is in calorie. Calorie per Kelvin per mole. This is the CGS unit. Today we are only and only relate to the SI unit. So these unit must be remembered by you. Beta, if entropy universe consists of system plus surrounding. Total entropy of universe depends upon entropy of system plus entropy of surrounding. If entropy of system increase, that means entropy of surrounding decrease, or vice versa. That means entropy of universe always 0. System increase, surrounding decrease, surrounding increase, system decrease. You will write like this: entropy of system, change in entropy of system we will calculate by heat per unit Kelvin absolute temperature, that is for reservoir. Surrounding, for surrounding, that is reservoir. Q reservoir upon T, but is in opposite direction. If system increase, surrounding decrease. When we add these two, delta S of universe, that is system, change in entropy of system plus change in entropy of surrounding, plus minus minus, whole factor is 0, or you may revise it. Now entropy. Beta, entropy is state function or path function? Entropy depends upon entropy of initial state as well as entropy of final state. Does not depend upon the path. So entropy change or entropy is state function. Theta, only work and heat are the path function, while other physical quantities are state function. In thermodynamics, entropy is the state function because it depends upon initial and final state. Now, entropy change during phase transformation. Entropy change during phase transformation. That is entropy of fusion. Entropy of fusion. This entropy of fusion is the amount of energy change, or you can say heat evolve or absorb, or heat change when 1 mole of solid completely melt into liquid. 1 mole of solid completely melt into liquid. So change in entropy will be calculated by final state. Final state is the liquid state. Initial state, that is the solid state. Change in entropy is equal to Q upon T. Q at constant pressure is equal to the change in enthalpy. Beta, Q at constant pressure is equal to the change in enthalpy. So we can say delta H for fusion. We can say delta S for fusion is equal to delta H for fusion upon change in temperature. In the same way, entropy of vaporization. Entropy of vaporization, that is when entropy change when 1 mole of liquid change into vapor state or gaseous state. That is vapor state or gaseous state minus liquid state is equal to delta H. Delta H for vaporization. Delta H for vaporization. In the same way, entropy change for sublimation. We can say 1 mole of solid change into gaseous state directly or vice versa. The entropy change during this process is known as sublimation entropy. Gas minus solid. When solid change into gas or vice versa. Solid minus gas, that means initial state is gas, final state is solid. In both the case, enthalpy of sublimation divided by temperature. This is entropy change during phase transformation. This is entropy change during phase transformation. Beta, you must remember that delta S entropy is positive. Entropy is positive. That means process is spontaneous. If delta S is negative, process is non-spontaneous. Delta S is 0, process is in equilibrium state. Equilibrium means for rate of forward reaction and rate of backward reaction in reversible reactions remain same. Rate of forward reaction and backward reaction remain same. Thank you.